This is Tarek. And here I am going to explain what we followed in this total module. So these are the steps we followed in this, to complete this module. The first step is the project plan, and second step is requirement specification. In those specification and the functional requirements, here I stated is which given by some module tutors, like the user can create their own account like that one. And the third step is module documentation, and fourth step is implementation, and the fifth step is testing, and last step is deployment. So these are the general steps which we need to follow for any application. So next the class diagram is going to explain by one of my group member.
Now I am going to explain about class diagram for this given scenario. User is the main class in the given scenario. It can be subdivided into administrator, registered and unregistered user. The relationship here is the generalization. The user has association with registration, message, upload image, account and update details. In the relationship here, the user have one-to-one relationship between registration and one-to-many relationship between message, upload image, account and update details. User has username, password as attributes, and get username, set username, get password and set password are the methods. And plus for here we are indicating private and public methods by using plus and minus. Private is private indicated by using plus and minus for public. Minus is private and plus is for public. Next one is continued by my group member.
This is Tarek. I am going to explain the use case diagram about this project. This use case diagram contains more actor and more functionality. The administrator manage all account user, and here register user use this functionality like login and extend to register, and user you can use view message and delete message and post message, and the user you can use update to the details and choose display, and the user can delete the details. And register user you can view message and delete message, and then administrator you can manage all the user account like delete user account and view user account and the view message and delete message and log on and register. Some include and some extend about functionality.
Thank you, Tarek. And now I'm going to explain the skeleton code for this project. Okay. This is the skeleton code for this project. If you observe this skeleton code, I covered almost all the functionalities with all the requirements for development. So it will start with the code for administrator, and this is Java. This is implemented in Java. So if you observe, then here almost all the functionalities like basic functionalities like inheritance and polymorphism is covered. Inheritance is covered by using the extends keyword, like user is a superclass and admin is a subclass. So all the functionalities is imported from user. So this is the code for administrator. If you observe this one, the functionalities are like view account, delete account, view all account, and delete all account. It means that it can for administrator there is a chance to delete all accounts, all the users account as well as view all the users account. And code for users, this is the main class in this functionality. Like user is the main one. The functionalities of the user is the create account, update details, and delete details, and choice display, follow list, and user message followers. Like he can observe who is viewing this message as well as his profile. So this is the code for the user. So these are the other classes like personal detail being class, and choose display service, like you can change the mode of the display, and connection sample and create account. He can create the account before login. Like if he don't have the account, there is no chance to log in. So in the account, it will ask for name, address, office, phone number, email, and username, password. So and there is a chance to delete his own details, as well as the message stream, like get message, post, set message. Like he can view the other messages as well as he can create the new message and post message. There is chance to post the message and update details. There is chance for him to update the details. This is the skeleton code for this application, and now I am going to explain one functionality which is implemented in this. So this is the here I wrote a code for registration. So this is a HTML page for registration, and this is the Java code for registration, and this is the JSP page for that registration. I created three JSP pages because if you enter the correct details, then it will go for the success page. Otherwise, it will go for the retry JSP. So now I am going to run this one. If you run this one, it will ask for the details. So you need to enter your details here, like if you click submit, then it will give the output like this one. User registration is successful. So it will give your name as well as last name and mail, and accept that password because it is secret. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.